Alright, hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to be doing a pack opening. I already did it, but I tried to put music and it didn't work. So my voice was too quiet, so the music went over my voice. So we're back, yo. First, got this Ben Simmons. We got this Matthew Dellavedova. We got this Josh Hart. Got this Dion Waiters. And, sorry about that, guys. I'll pick that up later after this video. Got this Marshawn Gortat. Got this Franklin Natilkina. I don't know how to say that. Sorry, guys. I got this Steven Adams. I got this Yusuf Nurkic. De'Aaron Fox. Juan Evans. Jonas Valanciunas. Ryan Anderson. Beast power forward at 3-point shooting. He's amazing. Luke Kennard. Jimmy Butler. Chris Dunn. Hassan Whiteside. Sorry for the silence right there. Another Luke Kennard. Donovan Mitchell. All-time greats. David Robinson. I got this Russell Westbrook. Triple-double Russell Westbrook. Got this DeMarcus Cousins. I got this Caris LeVert. Got this Willie Cauley-Stein. And I got this Cameron Payne. Alfred Payton. Dude needs to cut his hair. Danilo Gallinari. Alan Crabb. Klay Thompson. And last but not least, I think I dropped the card. Yep, Hassan Whiteside. Oh, sorry. Hassan Whiteside. I got this ball signed by the Harlem Globetrotters. No, I did not sign it because my hand is not that neat, and I didn't even, at first, I knew their names, but I didn't remember all of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Peace. I'll be coming at you with another room tour, so stay tuned for that, and peace out. Dab on the mirrors. Yeah, so peace out. Peace, and I'm out.